you from the UK? No, I am not from the UK. Are you from China? No, I am not from China. Where are you from? I am from France. Is it hot in your country in winter? No, it is not hot in my country in winter. Is it cold in your country in winter? Yes, it is cold in my country in winter. Is there snow in your country in winter? Yes, there is snow in my country in winter. Is it sometimes hot in Europe in spring? Yes, it is sometimes hot in Europe in spring. Is it always hot in Europe in spring? No, it is not always hot in Europe in spring. Is it sometimes hot in America in fall? Yes, it is sometimes hot in America in fall. Is it always hot in America in fall? No, it is not always hot in America in fall. Is there snow on the table? No, there is not snow on the table. Is snow blue? No, snow is not blue. Is snow black? No, snow is not black. Is snow white? Yes, snow is white. What color is snow? Snow is white. Are there trees in your country? Yes, there are trees in my country. Are there a lot of trees in your country? Yes, there are a lot of trees in my country. Are there a few trees in your country? No, there are not a few trees in my country. There are many. Is there snow on the trees in summer? No, there is not snow on the trees in summer. Is there snow on the trees in winter in Alaska? Yes, there is snow on the trees in winter in Alaska. At this point, people often mix up there is and it is. Let me break it down for you. There is means exists. We use it when we talk about non-specific things or people. There is a phone on the table. There is a cup on the floor. There are 3 people in this room. We use it is to describe adjectives of time, weather, and so on. It is cold at night. It is always hot in this room. It is to describe adjectives. There is to describe objects. Now let's get down to practice. Morning, morning. In the morning, in the morning. Afternoon, afternoon. In the afternoon, in the afternoon. Evening, evening. In the evening, in the evening. Night, night. At night, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch. Dinner, dinner. At 7 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. Morning, morning. In the morning, in the morning. Afternoon, afternoon. In the afternoon, in the afternoon. Evening, evening. In the evening, in the evening. Night, night. At night, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch. Dinner, dinner. At 7 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. Is it morning now? No, it is not morning now. Is it afternoon now? No, it is not afternoon now. Is it evening now? Yes, it is evening now. Is your breakfast in the morning? Yes, my breakfast is in the morning. Is your breakfast in the evening? No, my breakfast is not in the evening. Is your breakfast at night? No, my breakfast is not at night. Is your breakfast in the afternoon? No, my breakfast is not in the afternoon. When is your breakfast? My breakfast is in the morning. Is your breakfast at 5 a.m.? No, my breakfast is not at 5 a.m. Is your breakfast at 7 p.m.? No, my breakfast is not at 7 p.m. What time is your breakfast? My breakfast is at 7 a.m. Is your lunch at night? No, my lunch is not at night. Is your lunch in the morning? No, my lunch is not in the morning. Is your lunch in the afternoon? Yes, my lunch is in the afternoon. When is your lunch? My lunch is in the afternoon. What time is your lunch? My lunch is at 2 p.m. Is your lunch at 2 a.m.? No, my lunch is not at 2 a.m. My lunch is at 2 p.m.